So that's what's being also said here. Tanmanjugo shali mriga dvijakulam mahanmana prakyapaya saraswati vatena jishtam shatapatra gandhina niriksharantam bhagavan manodade. The Supreme Personality of Godhead looked over that forest, which resounded with the charming sounds of bees, animals, and birds, and which was enhanced by a lake whose clear water resembled the minds of great souls, and by a breeze carrying the fragrance of 100-petaled lotuses. Seeing all of this, Krishna decided to enjoy the auspicious atmosphere. So he thought, this is a wonderful, beautiful forest. Beautiful sights, beautiful sounds, beautiful fragrances, beautiful sense of touch. The wind is carrying this gentle breeze, and it's touching my skin. All my senses are being enlivened. If you tease my skin or tease my eyes or my tongue, I get excited to enjoy. If you say, open your mouth, and you put some rasgulla on the end of your tongue and say, you want this rasgulla? Oh, okay. And, oh no, I want. So all your senses at once are getting stimulated and attracted and excited, and naturally the whole sum total of that experience is you want to enjoy it. Your mind becomes interested to immerse itself in enjoying the scenery and interacting with everyone. So that's why we see in our dealings, which we're not so much entering the forest with our cows and friends, but we're moving in the world with people. And so when the wife prepares to meet the husband, and she has so many kinds of perfumes and fragrances and colors and jingles and jangles and waist bells and ankle bells and bangles tinkling and jingling and all kinds of fragrances oozing off her body and unguents. And so this way the man's senses become inundated, a little tinkle tinkle in his ears and fragrance in his nose, and then she speaks some enticing words to him, and then maybe she touches him, and then there you go, it's all over. The enjoying spirit is inflamed, and then it's Haribo, bye-bye, Maya. So Krishna he is the original enjoyer, the supreme enjoyer. Purush Uttam. Purush means enjoyer. He's Purushottam.